It's also not as light as I was hoping. Hi travellers, I'm Anne's daughter Lalika and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. So, I'm in China now, haven't been here long. I asked my colleague to buy me this on Taobao. I'm so excited. So you can see from this thumbnail, this is well, I wouldn't say an unboxing, but it's really an unbagging. So I haven't been in China long enough to set up a bank account for myself. I haven't yet been paid my first month. And please check out my other videos of me flying in and my first shop and all of those sorts of fun things. So I saw it on Taobao. I've seen some reviews on YouTube and just went, I'm just gonna do it. And also because I worked out with the exchange rate, it's actually cheaper to buy it with Taobao than it would be to buy on Amazon. Plus, I will say that I was suckered, which I usually am not, but I'm just like, it's my best purchase. I'm in China. Get a job. So I just decided to just buy all the extras, which totally added to the total cost. So I'll stuff it, I'll just get it. Because the thing is, these ads are in Chinese. Yes, you can translate it into English to see what you're going to get. But I'm sorry, this package is so much bigger than I thought it was. So I'm a bit worried because the whole point was to buy it so it's travel size because it's smaller. This is not smaller, so I hope this is all packaging. Anyway, let's crack into this. Please consider subscribing as I post new videos every week giving tips and strategies that may help enhance your travel experiences. So when you see it on Taobao, and I'll put the link in the description below that I bought it from, it came in like 2 or 3 days. There was no extra postage, but there's quite a few different options. So you can have this extra, this extra, this extra. It's so hard to tell the quality. So Taobao is the main online shopping here, and you can buy basically anything and everything here on Taobao. I have foreign colleagues that buy cheese and I know last time I bought like cookie times from New Zealand. You can buy all sorts of things, and quite often they are cheaper than what you'll find in the stores, or you'll find things on Taobao that you haven't been able to locate in the stores. So it's well worth having. But as I said, because I'm still new here, I haven't got my bank account set up, I haven't been paid, so I don't have any money here. I just have the cash that I bought with me. So that was easy. I just gave the cash to my colleague, they bought it, and it arrived. Oh, a monopod. Okay. And again, this is all in English. Great. I've never ever had a monopod before. I wonder if I'm ever going to use it. Oh God, it's heavier than I wanted it to be. The Moza Mini S. You can see what it includes. Is easy to use and small enough that I really can take it on board with me and it not be a pain. At the moment, what my setup is that I usually just, because I've got my camera, which I'm using, and I will film with that, and because it's just a small point and shoot, then it's very easy for me to just throw in my handbag. I usually carry a tripod of some description. I just have a wee knockoff Joby that I just bought online. I'll put the link in the description box below. It was like $1. And it's been beautiful because it's bendy and it tries to be the Joby, but it's not at all. But it's very small and very easy to hold. So that's what I appreciate it for. But if it's going to be too big and bulky, so that's why I liked how this one folded in. If it's going to fit in my bag, look at this blooming thing. How the bucker. So what I'm so disappointed. So what I really liked was that it folded down. It's one of the downfalls of buying stuff online sometimes, is that you don't have a real sense of what it's really going to be like. I think usually my bags when I'm out walking, they're not that big to cut something so large. Certainly not my little travel bag, which is the size of a clutch. So that's also why my little tripod, it just hangs on the outside. Cost me $1, so I'm not bothered if I lose it. So I am keen to try something else, but if it's going to be too big, then it just won't fit in with my lifestyle. Like, I certainly don't want this mini S to be massive or heavy, because then I just won't use it. Oh, okay. So then, yeah, so you can turn it around. Oh, and then it locks in place. My first impressions are disappointment. There is no way I'm walking onto a plane with this. There's just no way. This is so huge, and this is the small, this is the mini. These things are gonna come a lot smaller. Damn it. Okay, well, you've got to try it to know it. Oh, it's nice that it folds away, but this is too big. Even what I'm holding right now in this hand is smaller than what's in this hand. Really not used to it. I just think it's just too much. Like, I think people would notice, and that's fine, but you know, people are a little bit wary these days. I mean, here it's not going to matter. Chinese people don't care. But in other parts of the world, this is not hidden. This is not small. People will see this. Blast. Blast. Like, it should be quite easy to use. I don't want it to be heavy. Here's a little charge hole. You know, that's sort of a, oh, it's cute. It's like a little joystick. And then, oh, you can take pictures. And it's got battery there. Zoom in, zoom out. And so, yeah, you can extend it out there. Oh, then there's another chargy input hole there. That's closed. So that's cute, but it's still obscenely big. Like, that's bigger than my hand. So I guess I just had in my mind, oh, mini, it's going to be small. It's not at all, so that's really disappointing. User manual. It says gimbal weight is 495 grams. Now that's something I would have wanted to know before I bought it, because that's an extra half a kg to my jeepers, to my bag. The charging cable, presumably, a little baggie. That's nice. Okay, so the little bag. Okay, so the little bag, to give you a better idea, like, here's the size of my hand. So yes, the bag is bigger than the size of my hand. So if that's the travel size, the mini S, and yes, I appreciate that it bends and folds down. In this cable, this is the bottom of to make it into a tripod at the bottom here. So that is literally just a piece of plastic that attaches on to make it go flat. So that's nice. I just can't see myself shoving this in my bag and going for a wander, I've got to be honest. Plus the space it takes up in my carry-on. If you haven't seen my carry-on, what's in my carry-on bag, I really do not have room for that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.